Hello and welcome to Lesson 1.2, Slide Layouts and Design Themes, part of Office Administration Essentials. In this lesson, you'll focus on 3 key workplace presentation skills. First, you'll learn how to choose the right slide layout for different types of content. Second, you'll explore how design themes create consistency and professionalism. And third, you'll see how these tools help you prepare polished presentations for your co-op placement. Let's get started. Let's begin with slide layouts. In this section, you'll learn how different layouts help organize your content and guide your audience through a presentation more clearly. Each layout is designed for a specific purpose, from introducing topics to comparing information. In this section, we'll go through the 6 main layouts one by one and when to use each layout. Use the title slide layout for your opening slide to introduce your presentation clearly. Second, title and content is your most used layout. It has a title area at the top and space below for bullets, images, or charts. Third, the section header helps you introduce new topics in your presentation. Fourth, to content splits your slide into 2 columns for comparisons. Fifth, the comparison layout is designed specifically for side-by-side analysis. Finally, the blank layout gives you complete freedom when you need a custom design. Now let's look at design themes. A design theme controls the colors, fonts, and visual style of your presentation. Instead of formatting every slide individually, you can apply one theme to keep everything consistent. In this lesson, we'll focus on 3 key ideas. First, how to apply a theme quickly. Second, how themes keep colors and fonts consistent. And third, how workplace branding shapes the way presentations look. These small design choices make a big difference in how professional your slides appear. Applying a theme in PowerPoint is simple. Start by selecting the Design tab at the top of the screen. You'll see a gallery of built-in themes you can use. Hover your mouse over a theme to preview how it looks on your slides. When you find one that works, click it. PowerPoint will instantly apply the theme to your entire presentation. Choosing a theme early helps you build slides faster and keeps your design consistent from the beginning. One of the biggest benefits of themes is consistency. Themes automatically apply matching colors and fonts across every slide. This makes your presentation easier to read and more visually organized. Instead of changing text styles manually, the theme keeps everything aligned. This is especially helpful when multiple people are working on the same presentation. Consistent design shows attention to detail and makes your work look more professional. On many workplaces, presentations follow a company brand. Organizations often provide custom PowerPoint themes that include official colors, fonts, and logos. Using these themes shows professionalism and respect for company standards. When you begin your co-op placement, you will likely use your employer's design theme. Starting with the correct theme helps your slides look polished and workplace ready. Remember, themes change how your slides look, not what they say. Your content stays the same, but your presentation feels more professional. Before we finish, let's connect everything you learned to workplace presentation skills. Strong presentations are not just about design, they are about communication. First, use a clear structure. Choose layouts that guide your audience through your message step by step. Second, maintain professional design. Consistent themes, colors, and fonts help your slides look organized and polished. Third, always focus on your audience. Think about who will view your presentation and what information they need most. When you combine structure, design, and audience awareness, your presentations become more effective and workplace ready. Before we move to the key takeaways, take a moment to think. Can you remember the 3 main learning objectives from this lesson? Pause for a few seconds and see if you can recall them before we review together. Now that you've had a moment to reflect, let's review the key takeaways. First, you learned to choose the right slide layouts. Second, you explored how design themes create professional consistency. And third, you connected these skills to effective workplace presentations. You're ready to apply these ideas in your next activity.